It's time for a biogeography lesson, and this particular biogeography lesson will involve a mountain range, the Sikhote-Alin mountain range. The Sikhote-Alin mountains are located in the Russian Far East. It is a major geographic feature for the Primorsky and Khabarovsk Krais, Primorsky and Khabarovsk being regions in the Russian Far East. What makes this mountain range special is not its height, not its length, but what lives in it. This is home to the Siberian tiger. This is the Siberian tiger's habitat. The world's largest big cat lives in this region. This part of the Russian Far East is where the East Asian mixed forests and the coniferous boreal forests meet. The coniferous boreal forest being known as the taiga, no pun intended. The temperate rainforests of the Russian Far East are also located in this region. The temperate rainforests of the Russian Far East are like a transition zone between the boreal forest and the East Asian mixed forest. Within the temperate rainforests of the Russian Far East, there are the Korean pine tree. The Korean pine forests of the Russian Far East, this is the habitat of the Siberian tiger. These particular pine forests provide the vegetation that Siberian tigers need, along with other forests in the region. Other things that are very essential for tigers include water sources. This being a region of high precipitation and a region of rivers such as the Amur and the Ussuri River, there are plenty of water sources for the Siberian tiger for drinking. There are plenty of animals in the region for the Siberian tiger to hunt and to eat, such as several species of deer. There are wild boars in the region, there are rabbits in the region. There is also a lot of salmon for tigers to fish for. Biogeography is about where you find animals and why you find them where they are. And there are many factors in why the Siberian tiger lives where it lives. There is vegetation, water, plenty of animals to eat. A lot of factors to consider in terms of biogeography. It is about the distribution of animals and why they live where they live. If you like this video, be sure to check out other videos on this channel. And as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.